No.
The Constitution is here with you. It's really the key that we are following in order to enable us to execute our mandate as of national anthem. You're most welcome, and I wish you a productive and rewarding, steady term of office. The wananchi have undertaken with the President Museveni, which really was decided upon based on what is in the NRM manifesto. The NRM manifesto, the National Development Plan and Vision 2040, these are documents that one has to refer to at every other stage. And I'm sure Honorable Bet you will not have any problem with this. The way you need to work very closely in order to make sure that the funds for running these offices are made available. Otherwise, the computerization program runs into trouble. But I must say, as a result of computerization, the proceeds, the inflows that the ministry has been collecting, has been realizing as a result of this computerization